YouTube. This is 13 Echo Kilo 111 Germany. Kilo 111 Germany. I'm calling and listening in 567 in 567. Hello, allow me to 103 Echo Kilo 111 Germany. 103 Echo Kilo 111 Germany. QSO.
315 Lima Radio 001.
Oh, 315 Lima Radio 001, my friend, calling. Hello and best greetings to Ukraine.
Hello, my friend. This is first QSO in this year, my friend. Propagation today is starting in Kyiv, Ukraine. You report for 5559 QSL?
Yeah, QSL, you are 5 and 8, 5 and 9 at the moment. My antennas to Ukraine, so no problem to copy you. 5859 your report.
Roger, I copy 100%. My name is Alex Alpha Lima Echo X-ray Alex from Kyiv, Ukraine. My working condition, transceiver Kenwood 2000, my antenna vertical 58 mid-band new energy. My power in this moment 50 whiskey. QSL, my friend, mic for you.
Yeah, Alex, copy 100%. Your signal dropped a little bit up and down, 5559, but no problem. Listen, you always. Good equipment on your side. On this side is ICOM 775 DSP. Ukraine, equalizer, 8-band equalizer, Halo headset, 4-element cubicle quad, and a little bit Ukraine power to your side.
QSL, copy 100%. Okay, many thanks for nice QSO. Good day, good DX, and see you later in this band, my friend. 13 Echo Kilo 111, 315 Lima Radio 001, 73. Auf Wiedersehen.